Hello everyone, my name is Sanket. Today I'm going to talk about sociology. So let's start. Uh, let's start with the logy. Like everyone you heard about the term logy, like anthropology, biology, criminology, sociology, physiology, psychology. So why they called logy at the last? So normally the logy means a scientific research and a scientific study of anything, like a scientific study of crime with research method is criminology. So what is then, as it is the sociology, a scientific study of society with research method is called sociology. So how this sociology term gets start? So the first one who start term sociology is August Comte. In the past, there was no sociology. So normally, the thing we need to start a research is the mm, research method with scientific data or a mathematic data. That's make a research proper research. So at that time, Auguste Comte was a mathematician and a scientist, and he started research on sociology, on the society. So what he did, he collect the data of society. He started taking the data of peoples in this society. So there are two type of data, the quantitative data and qualitative data. So the term we called quantitative. What is the difference between quantitative and qualitative data? Quantitative quantitative data is the numerical data in which the people counted based on the number. Like there are thousand and 1,000 millions of people. We are going and collect the data, and we note taking and evaluating and criticizing the data based or not on quantity, only on quality, only on quantity, not on quality, sorry. So that he started, that also caused positivism. And after that, over and what is sociology imagination and sociology facts? People said their culture and their choices, their perception with each other in the society. That called social imagination, and the in which the term we are living, in the beliefs, in the culture, in the tradition, in the laws, law and order, in society perception, and their choices in fashion, culture, trend, everything. These all things are society facts. That's when we evaluating these things, when the people are evaluating society behavior, the thing we are behaving with each other, people are interacting with each other and showing and impacting their implementing their behavior uh, upon on each other. That's create a socialization. People are giving their perception and behaving with everyone, like each one. People are also differentiating their behavior person to person and create their impact on each other, in which the person is learning the in one thing, the person is learning from another person the societal behavior or showing their behavior and make them learn the society, how the society is treating everyone and each other by their behavior, by their culture, by their law, by their beliefs, by trends, by fashion, by everything, whatever the person is doing with their together. So, what the scientific revolution is example like when the people moving to a industrial industrial area and leaving their agricultural area, that's like people are getting more benefit and more factors on high education, high living standards in industrial area. That's why people are living agriculture area. That's all impacting the things. That's also the scientific revolution in the past. And I also anti-positivism. Anti-positivism is the thing which are showing qualitative data is not enough. Qualitative data also does. To explain it more, now I am sharing you example of Stanford prison experiment. In that experiment, what the theorist did, he gathered 24 people that are students and asked and them with their permission he started a new experiment in which he separated 12, uh, making the two group of people into 12 and 12. In which 12 people have to visit the prison and another 12 had to perform the role of the guards in the same prison. So that an experiment will go for 24 days, in which they have to people get to know about the society behavior. If the person will get the power, what gonna happen? And they did in the real way. They make a whole prison like the real prison and starting the behaving like as it is like a normal prison. What gonna be the first the normal rule of that prison is like no one will hit each other or no one like give the hard punishment or severe punishment to the prisoners. The people who get powers are the 12 guards, and the people who have to follow the rule and guidance are the 12 who are the prisoners. What gonna happen? The they and the all people are watching them 24 hours by surveillance cameras, and the first day that the thing happened like the someone has started the conflict or starting their a hard behavior in front of the prisoner. They also started hit the starting beating the prisoner, also take their beds and let them sleep on the earth and make them feel bad, or starting mm, make them make them behave badly. On the sixth stage, the scientists have to stop that experiment. That and lots of people also raise lots of question against that scientist and started a conflict that shows a bad. The people not take the people experience and life to take. Another example is Karl Marx. In 19th century there was not enough laws and rule and regulation for the labor people. In 19th century when Karl Marx started the conflict theory in the benefits of labor, like he's mainly targeting the capitalism. What is the capitalism? There are two type of people, bourgeoisie and Portuguese. Who is the bourgeoisie? Bourgeoisie is the one who is sorry. Oh yeah, bourgeoisie is the people who are belonging to the owner of the production, who is the owner of any industry, any company, and the owner of a land. The people doing the work under them is labor or Portuguese. So What's the Karl Marx want from that? The everyone will get same pay and same thing. There will be no such more conflict between the people. But the people who have power are the bourgeoisie. They don't want to get labor as equal paid to them. So that's create a conflict between them. But the Karl Marx was the one who started the conflict theory between them and uh, take a stand for the labor, working class people. And that is the good example of conflict theory in sociology, in the world of sociology, is the Pilping's role. What is the social action theory? Every individual is a social actor in the society who is giving and performing their role in the society and implementing their behavior to learn other people and to behave according to them or make them whatever the person want to others, and other also doing same things. That's the societal behavior that also we can say belong person to person. If one person is behaving in a good way with another person, that not 100% sure the person will also behave with the third person in the same way. So society is learning and making the other people learn to each other by performing their role, behavior, their culture, showing their culture, beliefs. Thank you.